Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, and sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome and thank you for supporting. If you're watching this video and hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na bes, i-like mo tong video, and click the bell button. Meron na naman tayong bagong video, yes! Super excited ako sa video na to kasi maraming girls, maraming momshies ang magugustuhan itong bagong tutorial natin. I know marami sa inyo, insecurity nila yung manipis yung kilay. Kasi mukhang alien, di ba? Like, look at this now, di ba? Mukhang alien, di ba? I struggle a lot na pakapalin yung kilay ko kasi manipis na talaga siya. Natural na manipis. But, I found a very easy solution at hindi mo kailangang mag-spend ng maraming pera for this. For only $8, you'll be able to have bongacious na kilay. So, ano ba ang sikreto? I will reveal it today. This is what I use to dye my eyebrows. I have the mustache and beard just for men beard dye. So, ayan po, ayan. Baliktad. Anyway, so ayan siya. I have this one in the shade of M55. It's a real black, but you could get the brown one, which is, I think, the shade M40. Yes, I'm sure it's M40. Okay din naman yung result niya. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin. So, buksan natin siya sa loob para makita niyo kung ano yung laman niya.
Okay, sa loob, it has the color base. Ayan. Color base, color developer, a plastic gloves, and a brush. Actually, meron siyang tray, kaso lang nawala siya. Dito natin ilalagay yung dye. Dito natin siya i-mix.
So, what else do we need para matint natin ang ating eyebrows? A brush that looks like this one. Yung ano lang siya. Maliit siya na brush. Yung pointy, ganun. Pero, pwede nyo naman to siyang gamitin. But kung meron kayong spare na brush na katulad ng ganito, use it. And then, we need cotton buds para tanggalin yung mga nakatago. Joke. So, cotton buds. And if you have a petroleum jelly, use it. Kasi ilalagay natin siya around our eyebrows para lang to protect it from the hair dye. If you don't have the petroleum jelly, which I don't have, I'll just be using Lucas Pow Pow. Lucas Pow Pow or Pow Pow? Pow Pow? Paano ba? I don't know how to pronounce it.
Does it have a W?
Yeah, it's P-A-P-A-W. How do you say it? Papo. So now let's get started. Here, this is where we're gonna be mixing our dye. You only need a little bit amount. Don't go too crazy. Ayan. So I'm gonna be showing you how much. Huwag niyo siya masyadong damihan, okay? Lalo na manipis lang naman yung kilay natin. Hindi natin kailangan ng marami. So, I put the color base first, but it doesn't matter which one you prefer to put on the mixture tray. Next, we're gonna be mixing the color developer.
Don't go crazy. Ayan, that's only how much you need. And then, using this side of the brush, we're just mixing it. Ayan.
So, So now that we have this mixture already, ready na siya. Ready na siyang ilagay sa ating kilay to make a kilay on fleek. Wait lang, nakalimutan kong lagyan ng pawpaw. Oh my God. Tanginot. Okay. So, ayan. Using our cotton buds, ayan, lalagyan lang natin siya ng small amount.
So, ayan, let's put it around our kilay. And on the other side.
So now it is ready for us to tint our eyebrows. So guys, this is what it's going to look like after you apply it on your eyebrows. Don't worry kung mukha kang bakay ka ngayon because the result will shock you, best. It will shock you, I promise. So you're just gonna have to leave it there for 10 minutes. I will be right back to show you the result.
Few moments later.
And we're back. After 10 minutes, mukha na siyang ewan, mukha siyang binta, mukhang nilagyan ng uling, but girl, you will be shook sa result, I'm telling you. We only need wipes para tanggalin siya. Are you ready for the result? Drum roll. Okay. Excited na akong makita nyo ang result. Side. Wow! Charan! There you go, guys. That's how I tint my eyebrows at home using the beard dye. Well, I bought this from pharmacy for $8, and if you're in the Philippines, I think meron din kayong malibiling ganito from Watson's maybe. I'm not sure magkano, but yeah, that is the cheapest way to tint your eyebrows. And guys, this should last for 3 to 4 days, I think. Yun lang yung disadvantage niya kasi kailangan mo ulit mag-apply and then mag-apply ulit kapag nabura na siya. But it's the cheapest way to make your eyebrows look on fleek. On a budget, syempre. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video tutorial. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na, best. Taray, naka-filter din si kuya. Oh, wow.